Ka Regional Council Demand Committee RCDC ka pamikman ikijay pinrio red pan ki bakenthop iki hajong coach Rabha Boro Patman kalakentu ya kajing tuklar lem jong ulat ke jila Meghalaya UCH Vijaya Shankar banthau ya ka Regional Council na kabenta kijay pinrio red pan da kabakdaw kat kum ki kendon jong riti sensyar kari barkajing sya no ben kabalas lamba nga dawa jor banthau ya Regional Council pat ngi karpat ep hi ban shimkya ya kan kam da ka jings ngolem ong chairman ka RCDC ubadeiru menteri sorkar barem u Dr. KC Bora ha ka dorkas bla IT haulat ha ka shipho tarik no pra ka RCDC kala karpat ya ulan ban pendan kam ya ka bor bala ai kat kum ka articles 244 but 275 jong kariti sensyar kari banthau ya ka Regional Council da ka bakdawi ki kendon jong kari ki badan hak 6th schedule jong kariti sensyar 3 India halwar ki jing ki ba ki ni jat rio ki ya kendo ngi ki jat bin rio ret pa ka jila Meghalaya ni kwa ban im haringkat ka roi ka par bat ka buram kumbalong ki weipat ki jat bin rio ki badan hak jila ulapan pa ni snow ya ka jingdon kam ya ka Regional Council ka banlong kalat ka bakhatu na ka benta jongi bangin yo im bat pan kiyo shaprang ka jingterwa na ka benta ka jaka jong ka Regional Council ka longkumba 1000 khandai spa propnyo square kilometer na ka benta ki nongshong shnong red pan ki badan kumba shilak khandai pnyo ajar nyo spa khat prangon ka dor khas ka deiru ka bala kershan da ka Meghalaya Indigenous Minority Tribals Forum MIMTF ka bala penpawi ka jingsha no ben bat jingsha kentat jong kini jat bin rio mentalas lamba wat la ki de ki try muluk ha ka ka jila Henry ki ki kinhuan ki dang sa dian shibun ha ka liang ka puli puthi ka yo ka kon bat ha ka kamsan perthei habaya nu jor bat ki weipat ki jat bin rio ki bahe jong ka jila Meghalaya Unomi khamat ka council lapan pau baka baha ka bamenta kalong ka bala no palat syaki jat bin rio garu khasi bat jaintia ki bala yo hadu prapo persen ka baha da ka ba no tangsan persen na ka bentai ki weipat ki jat bin rio red pan ki scheduled caste bat ki weipat ki bamdei tribe muluk kani ka yaringkat baka jingbam mangkerpang ya kite ki red pan bala kedau hang ni ki ba ka jingbon brio ka jongki baro kalong hadu jan kumba lailak ngut ha kani ka jela ong ka RCDC ka jing pentre kam ya ka reservation roster policy nadu u arhaja arpasan lakhmi lenti baka nang penjur shu ya ka jinglong jingman bar ka ban pelong ya kini red pa riulum bakin ya kendu jing shu banyo kam sorkar kumta ka RCDC kalakin turu ya ulan baun perkhatlam ya kan ka jingkar par ka jungki bat ban le ya ka badan kamban wengi kini ka jing le bamhong ki blas lambha persha ya kini ka jat bin rio
Be happy with our meeting with the governor today. Governor has very patiently listened to what we told him, and we read out. He has given the time to read out the memorandum also. He has promised us he will do the in-depth study about this. If need be, he will constitute a committee with the officers from the governor's house and even the advocate general if necessary. He has taken the matter seriously and he said you should get the justice in the matter. But right now, suo moto just I cannot promise anything. But at least because we requested him either to constitute commission or the committee to inquire, to study into the matter whether our demand is genuine or not. But we claim our demand is very, very genuine because it is constitutional. Under Article 244 2 and 275 1 and the 6th schedule of the Constitution of India, it is already very clearly there that the minority scheduled tribes of any state, they can enjoy, they get the facilities of this regional council for their upliftment, for their development and for their protection. So accordingly we have demanded. We don't want any separation neither from the state nor from the district. Very simple. Only the minority tribals inhabited area. We call it in Garo Hills popularly known as plain belt area. covering right from Dainabibi, from the north, Dainabibi, Mandipathar, Manigunj, via Tigrikla, Fulbari, Rajabala, Garobada, Ampati, Mahendraganj, Talu, up to Sibari. It covers four districts: North Garo Hills, West Garo Hills, South West Garo Hills, and South Garo Hills. A total area to be covered. That is, as per our proposed, the area of the regional council is 1,987 square kilometers. Total population of the minority tribes within this area is 1,97,000 some hundred. Total population will, and of course other communities also will fall little, like our Garo brethren, tribal brethren, our elder brother. Garo villages also will be little there within the area, and other communities like Assamese, Bengali, Bihari, Muslims, but they will be only microscopic in their population, but maximum is minority tribal dominated area, inhabited area. That is what is our demand. We don't want separation, we don't want either from the state nor from the district. Only for our development, for the backward communities of Hajongs, Koches, Rabas, Boro, Kosaris and Man. We want this regional council under 6th schedule of the Constitution of India. But we demanded earlier, last year in August 5th, we submitted a memorandum from Meghalaya Indigenous Minority Tribals Forum demanding this regional council. There we have clearly mentioned we want regional council under Article 280, through which direct funding facility will be there. Direct funding. Present district councils, all district councils, they get their fund through state government, which hampers the development of the district council. So if government of India grant us the regional council has demanded, we want this regional council with direct funding from the center. And also we have demanded one special facilities also, that is satellite council. Like our communities are scattered, not in one place. Through satellite council we want to reach the development to each and every minority tribal community, wherever they live, in all over Meghalaya. And our movement, our demand will be very democratic, very constitutional, without spoiling the relation, understanding. Our relation, our understanding that is going on ages together with Garus and other tribal communities like Khasis and Jontes in the state. Without disturbing this relation and understanding unity, just we want. That is our earnest request to the authorities concerned, for which we have met the governor today, submitted our memorandum. Governor has honestly listened to us and said he promised us he will constitute a committee for in-depth study into this and will let us know in time.